Hello, my name is Jeff, and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Our website is selectmotors.com. This is a 2012 BMW X3 2.8. In 2012, the 2.8 was an inline six-cylinder. The next year, 2013, they went to a four-cylinder turbo. So this is a pretty desirable engine. It's a non-turbo six-cylinder, very smooth and dependable. The color is titanium silver metallic with a black leather interior. Body's in excellent condition. It's not chipped up or dented or scratched. Paint's very, very nice. Has recently new tires, and these are Pirelli tires. So it has a great ride. It's a one-owner vehicle, very well maintained. Please check out the Carfax. Very impressive. Power tailgate. And it has the cargo cover as well. And the rear seats will fold down flat. On the inside, we have power seats on both sides. The driver's side has a two-position memory. The seats are heated, and they are leather. There's a look at the panorama roof. Rain-sensing windshield wipers. Automatic climate control. It's keyless ignition. Vehicle drives excellent, runs excellent, no issues whatsoever. These power side mirrors, they fold in. Here is a look at the panorama roof, power shade. And naturally the front section of the roof will open up. Nice sound system, factory Bluetooth. Back on the outside. This side looks just as good as the other side. Beautiful X3. This is a nice size vehicle, lots of room inside and easy to handle. Good gas mileage. Thank you for looking in. Give us a call. We'd love to tell you more about this vehicle.